If you're serious about content creation and are considering getting a content planner, stop. Watch this first. Because choosing the wrong one doesn't just waste your money, it wastes weeks of your time and kills your content momentum before it even starts. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you what you actually need to grow on social media. My sister and I make Notion and Google Sheets templates for content creators and small business owners. And our content planners are the most requested templates in the shop. And the most common question we get is, which one do I actually need? There are so many options out there, and here's what happens when you pick the wrong tool. If you get something too complex when you're just starting out, you open it once, feel overwhelmed by all these sections you don't need yet, and probably never open it again. If you buy something too simple when you're already monetizing your content, you'll outgrow it in 6 weeks. That's why you need the right system. When you don't have one, you're juggling ideas in your Notes app, saving Instagram posts you'll definitely turn into content later, or recording voice memos you'll never find again. And probably every Sunday you spend about 45 minutes just trying to figure out what to post this week. That's 39 hours a year, almost a full work week, just figuring out what to post, let alone actually creating the content. The right template can cut that time to 15 minutes, but you need the right one for where you are. If you're a creator just starting out, posting on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, and you're building your posting consistency, you want one place for your ideas and your calendar. You don't need analytics yet because you don't have enough data to analyze. You don't have sponsors, you're not launching products. You just need one place to capture ideas, plan your week, and stop losing content in your Notes app. If this sounds like you, what you need is a tool with a content planner where you work on your posts, a calendar to schedule them, an idea library to save content ideas, and maybe a repurposing list to make the most of your best performing content. This is a one-page system. Everything lives here: your ideas, your calendar, your repurposing pipeline. The Idea Bank captures ideas in 8 seconds directly from your phone. The content calendar shows you what's publishing this week or this month, with filter views for each platform. The repurposing pipeline helps you turn one high-performing post into 3 more pieces of content. One-page dashboard, everything you need to go from scattered ideas to a consistent posting system. This is what the Essential Content Planner does for you. The setup takes about 20 minutes. Clean, fast, everything is connected. This is the right tool if a system like this is exactly what you need and nothing more. But if you already post consistently, have an audience, even a small one, and want to start working with brands, you need to start thinking about your content like a business. Maybe you're launching products, ebooks, courses, memberships, and you need to track every launch. You care about analytics because now you have to know what's working, what's not, and where you should double down. In other words, you're past the just posting phase, you're in the building a business phase. So now you need more than just a content scheduler. You need a business planner and a monetization hub. Now when you post content, you should track the performance of every post, every platform, every month. Notice which posts actually drove followers and which formats worked. And over time, you stop guessing and start noticing patterns and repeating what works. As for monetization, you should probably track sponsors. And a sponsor manager helps you with pitches, deals, and even invoices. If you're making money from your content or want to make money from your content, you need to know where it's coming from and where to double down. With an integrated finance tracker, you can monitor income from YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok and see your monthly revenue at a glance. If you're selling or planning to sell your own products, you need a space to organize your launches, track dates, promotional content, sales, and results. If you pick this complete content planner, you will get a digital product launching blueprint that will guide you step by step from research to product development, from pre-launch to post-launch analysis. This is what the complete content planner gives you, and more. It's a tool that lets you organize your work and draft a strategy for growing your social media platforms based on actual data, because now you're running a business, not just posting content. But let's say you manage social accounts for other people. You need something you can share with clients, like a portal they can access to see the plan and approve content. The Essential Planner in this case is perfect for this scenario. One workspace per client, shared access, clean layout that you can brand according to the client if you want. You can duplicate this for each project, keeping their content separate, organized, and easy to share. No more which post was I supposed to schedule for client A, while the complete content planner serves as your internal system, not the client-facing one. So you have the best of both worlds. Now, which one do you pick? Think of it this way. The Essential is like a bicycle. Simple, efficient, gets you where you need to go. The Complete is like a sports car. More features, more power, takes you further, faster. But you don't buy a car when you're just learning to ride, and you don't keep riding a bike when you're ready to go cross-country. Let's say you start with something simple and then need to upgrade. Well, the good news is you can. Notion lets you migrate your content library from one database to another. So if you get the Essential, for example, and realize you're ready for the upgrade, everything you've built in the Essential transfers in about 10 minutes. You set up the Essential now, you grow into the Complete when you're ready. Nothing is wasted. Both templates are linked in the description if you are interested. And if you're still not sure after this video, go with the Essential. You can always upgrade and nothing you build gets lost. The Essential is the right starting point for most people watching this video right now. But if you know you're ready for the Complete, it's there. The key here is to have a system, no matter the complexity. A system that will stop you from losing content ideas, wasting hours every week just for planning, and help you stay consistent and productive as a content creator. Start with the right system for where you are. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.